Hello, this is Charlene Crawford, and I'm going to show you how to make your Bitmoji talk. There are several apps that allow you to let your Bitmoji talk. iFunface, ChatterKid, My Talking Pet, ChatterPix are just a few of them. With My Talking Pet, they allow you to have 2 free Bitmoji talking faces. ChatterKid gives you a few other options. As you notice with the Mighty Duck, they allow the mouth to open and close without the whole head moving. So if I go into take a photo and then use my photos, I can select my Bitmoji. You click next, and it shows you that if you draw the line, it tells you where it will talk. Now I place record. Good morning. I hope you all are feeling well. I'll play it back. Click next. You can add different kinds of filters. And now I can save it, export it to the camera roll. Now it's exported to my phone. And here it is. I can now upload this to my computer. I'll airdrop it, or you can email it. Now that I have uploaded it to my computer, I went into my Google Drive, opened up a classroom. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to upload the file into my Google Drive so that I can find it quickly. Now I'm going to insert the video from my Google Drive, and it'll be right here since it's the latest one that I did. And then here it is. I then can take my video, resize it, put it on the board, now in the video, I can have it autoplay when presenting. So that way when the students see the video, it'll play when they start. Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're excited for a brand new day. So I'll show you what the apps look like. That's one. That's ChatterPix. That's the fun face. That's the iPhone app. And that's my talking pet. I hope this was helpful.